Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to turn on or turn off joining on Roblox. So friends, this trick works for all Android and iOS platforms because these app settings are common for all devices. And also this is same if you are accessing this Roblox on your computer. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So just open your Roblox application and don't forget to log in your account details. So now in this homepage section, in bottom you can note one thing. So it has some icons. So here you can simply press that horizontal three dots icon and the final one, and it shows lots of options. But you can go to your settings and it is placed followed by black section, and then choose privacy settings and the third one, and it starts to loading. So be patient. And finally I locate the settings called who can join me. But in my device the setting is default set to friends, users and followers. So if you want to change it, by simply click to open this option. So it shows everyone, friends, users and followers, and friends and users, friends and no one. So if you feel I am not interested to join any of my Roblox friends, by simply select no one option. So otherwise you can join with everyone. So once you select this option, it automatically saved on your profile. So this is the way you can easily customize your Roblox joining by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.